I'm Rebecca, and these are my reviews, and I have my IPSY OS boxes for you. So this month, they actually added a new box. This one is called Refreshments, and this is going to be a new thing. They are slowly rolling this out, so it may not be available to you yet, but if you are already subscribed to IPSY, it will be available eventually. I don't know how quickly it's gonna happen. Anyway, the whole idea behind this is that it's skincare, and this month they started out with 3 things, and next month they'll introduce 3 more, and then when you subscribe, you can, I guess, maybe like swap items out, or maybe it's just add items on, and they seem to be pretty inexpensive. So it came in this cute box, right? And then it came in this bag, and a full-size velvet body cream in the scent Citrus Spritz. And it's supposed to be, you know, cruelty-free. I believe it's vegan as well. It's recyclable and made from 30% post-consumer recycled plastic. Also, it's made in Canada. So we've got the body cream and then a hand cream. This one also Citrus Spritz, and the scent is very citrusy. At first I thought it was really limey, and then I thought it was really orangey. It's just citrusy, a little bit sweet. It smells really, really good, very fresh. And then some face wipes. And it's a thing of 30 face wipes. These ones I don't think have a scent, which I think is better. And you know, they're for removing makeup. Generally speaking, I don't take off all of my makeup with wipes, but I love having these on hand for wiping off the back of my hand after I've done a bunch of swatches or correcting mistakes. They're great for like touching up your lipstick, you know, when you just need to like wipe it clean and start over. Also, they're really great for cleaning up makeup messes, especially on my daughter. So I thought that was fun that they added this whole new extra box. And then for the other stuff, so with the IPSY OS box, they send me some samples that you might get in your regular $10 Glam Bag. Look at the Glam Bag this month. It's fuzzy, like a little lamb. It's so cute. I don't know, I just thought this was really adorable. And then the larger bag for the Glam Bag Plus is again fuzzy, but it's like really soft, and it's lined with like a nylon thing. So they sent me a couple of extras, and I don't know if these are available to everybody or if it was just a gift to me for reviewing their stuff. I have no idea. This one is a puzzle. It's a 200-piece puzzle that I did this morning, and it was kind of fun, and it's just, you know, basically this. And then a deck of cards, and I played some solitaire. I was happy to have those. I thought that was really sweet. Okay, so let's get into the actual product. So for the regular Glam Bag, the smaller size samples, we've got a POREfessional, which I've had a million times. It's great if you love those silicone style primers that are supposed to fill in your pores and give you a smooth canvas. Personally, I'm not a big fan of this, but I know my mom loves this, so I'm gonna give this to her. This is from PURLISSE. This is the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. I have had this before. I've gone through a full size of it. It's a great eye serum. I love PURLISSE. Some of their stuff is very strongly scented though, so I kind of have to be careful with which of their products I use, but for the most part, I really like this. This is IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, another product that I've absolutely had many times before. It's, you know, just a regular old mascara. I wasn't that impressed with this. The wand is pretty straight. You know, there's nothing weird or unique about the wand. The formula is fine, nothing terrible, but not my favorite either. So again, I'll probably just pass that along to somebody. And then this brush from a company called GACHIS, I think that's how you say it, and it means beautiful mess in French, which I thought was cute. It's just like a powder brush. It's a little, you know, it's fluffy, it's soft, it's a good size, it's pinched at the ferrule, so you get a nice shape to it. You can use it, you know, for all sorts of things. I used it for my powder today as well as blush, and I thought that it worked really well. I think that, you know, I would continue to use this one, and I like the tapered handle on it too. And then for the Glam Bag Plus items, the first thing that I have is this NOMAD eyeshadow palette. This one is Tuscany. I have a NOMAD Berlin palette that I absolutely love, and I love this one as well. So it's a cardboard case, nice big mirror on there, and then you have these beautiful, beautiful shades, and they're all Italian names. You've got Aperitivo, Vino Nobile, Tartufo, and all of the little pictures. Can you see in the pans, all of them have a little imprint of a Vespa on them. How cute are those? So you have a couple of matte shades and then a few shimmers, some more of like a satiny finish to them, but really, really lovely colors. I do have them on my eyes today. I wore them yesterday as well, and I like the formula. They can be quite powdery. You get a lot of kickback when you put your brush in them. That's my only issue, but not a big issue. Tap your brush off, you're fine. It doesn't tend to get all over my face as long as I tap off my brush. And the pigment is there. They blend out really easily. The colors are gorgeous. I love these fun city themed palettes that they have. And they actually like go to the city to be inspired by the colors there, which I think is super awesome. So anyway, I'm a huge NOMAD fan right now. This is a moisturizer from QMS. This is the Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream. This is a very expensive face cream. I looked this up and I was like, oh my gosh, it was like $150 or something. I used it yesterday and today. I like it. It's supposed to like have all of these sorts of different benefits so that you can wear it in the daytime. It protects your skin, and in the nighttime it rejuvenates your skin and all of this stuff. It's good. I mean, I've only used it twice now, so I can't speak to the long-term effects, but as far as just, you know, how it feels, my first impression, it seems like a really nice cream. It's in a tub like this, and you can see it's got kind of a thick texture to it, but it doesn't feel overly heavy. A lot of creams like this tend to just make me feel greasy, and this does not, which I appreciate. And my skin has been super dry lately, so I put this on like 3 times today. This is an eye cream. This one is from VERIPHY 2020 eye cream, and the only complaint is the pump top on this, which isn't that big of a deal. I just wish that it was in a squeezy tube, because that's my favorite way to have any sort of skincare, really. But this is really nice. I've used this a couple of times. Again, I can't speak to long-term effects, and I didn't see any dramatic difference, but it did feel very hydrating, didn't leave my skin greasy. You know, I have it on underneath my makeup, and it all went on really lovely. So both of these I think that I will use. I'm usually pretty picky about my skincare, but I'm happy with these. Another skincare, I've got 2 more skincare items in here. Both of these are face washes. This one is from MURAD. This is the Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. I really like the MURAD Essential C line. I've tried several other of these products, and I really, really like this line. So this is awesome. I'm happy to have this. It's just a gel cleanser. And then this one from TULA Skincare is a sugar polish. So it's a scrub, but because it's sugar, the sugar dissolves pretty quickly when you start scrubbing it in. So it's not like a full-on scrub, and then it has kind of like an oily texture to it, and it's supposed to have ingredients in it to give you a chemical exfoliation as well. So you're not relying just on the sugar crystals. It has a really interesting texture to it and reminds me a lot of, I have a mask from Fresh that's like a strawberry sugar scrub, and it reminded me a lot of that. It smells fantastic. It has this wonderful fruity tropical scent to it that just smells divine, and if you have dry skin, this is going to be so nice because it does just hydrate your skin. And like I said, it's got that kind of oily texture to it, so it just feels like it's hydrating as well as giving you an exfoliation. So I'm telling you, all of these skincare items I'm really impressed with, and I usually am so picky about skincare. And then the final item is an eyeliner. This is from Wander Beauty. I've tried several things from Wander Beauty, another company that I really like, and it's just, you know, a wind up black eye pencil. I have it on my eyes right now. I kind of smudged it out on the top a little bit. I also have it in my waterline. It sticks really nicely in my waterline because it has a very waxy texture to it, but it also, you know, smudged out great. Yesterday I wore it in just a straight line and it didn't smudge all over the place. I didn't get that line up on my upper lid, you know, from it transferring. So really happy with all of these products. I'm so excited, and I don't think I have any of these in my Glam Bag Plus that's coming up. So If you are interested, make sure that you subscribe so that you can see what I got in my Glam Bag Plus, and this is just a sampling of what you might have gotten in your bag. So let me know what you guys get this month and how you feel about everything. I'm really excited. I think they've really done a good job this month, especially with the Glam Bag Plus. Definitely more of the repeat items in the regular Glam Bag, which was my complaint originally and why I was so excited that the Glam Bag Plus tends to have more variety and newer products from companies that I haven't heard of before. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!